In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from QuickBooks to bank account. Before we start, a quick note for clarity. In QuickBooks Online, the transfer form records money moving between accounts in your books, like from checking to savings. If your bank is connected, this helps you match the transfer when it appears in your bank feed. Some banks let you initiate the actual movement on their platform. What we're doing here makes sure your accounting reflects that movement accurately. Go ahead and open QuickBooks Online and sign in to the correct company. From the dashboard, look toward the top of the page for the Create or New button. Depending on your layout, it might appear as a plus icon labeled New. Click that to open the transaction menu. From the menu, choose Transfer. This opens a simple form specifically designed to move money between two accounts you already track in QuickBooks. Using this form instead of a journal entry keeps your bank registers clean and makes bank feed matching much easier later. Now fill out the fields carefully. In Transfer Funds From, pick the account the money is leaving, such as your checking account. In Transfer Funds To, choose the account receiving the money like savings or a credit card if you're making a payment. Make sure you don't select the same account in both fields. QuickBooks won't let you save that, and it won't reflect a real movement of funds. Enter the amount exactly as it will appear on your bank statement. Set the date to when the transfer actually occurred or when you expect it to post. Adding a memo like, "Move excess cash to savings" or credit card payment is a great habit for future reference and for anyone else reviewing your books. If you have a confirmation or supporting document, you can attach it to the transaction so everything stays together. Take a moment to double-check the from and to accounts and the amount. A quick review avoids fixing mismatched transfers later. When you're confident everything looks right, save the transfer. You'll see it reflected in both bank registers, one decreasing and the other increasing by the same amount. When your bank feed updates, look for the corresponding transfer and match it instead of creating a new one to prevent duplicates. If you realize something's off, maybe the date or the destination account, you can open the transfer from the register and edit it. Afterward, during reconciliation, this clean transfer record will help your statements balance smoothly. That's it. You've recorded a transfer in QuickBooks, so your books mirror the movement of money between your bank accounts accurately.